rate indicator, mud tank level indicator, and trip tank volume indicator. The weight indicator is the largest gauge on the driller's panel. It indicates the hook load and weight on the bit. The hook load is the total amount of weight hanging from the hook. Weight on the bit, or WOB, is the amount of weight put on the bit by the drill string. It is less than the hook load. The weight indicator is extremely sensitive to hook load changes. Drillers can use hook load changes to monitor the amount of drag or friction the well bore puts on the drill string when they move the pipe up or down. Or, because it is so precise, the driller can use it to monitor the operation of downhole tools, requiring small variations in weight. The pump rate gauge shows the number of times one mud pump piston moves per minute. This console has two pump rate gauges because the rig has two mud pumps. The driller can determine the total volume of mud being pumped by multiplying the pump rate by the number of pistons in the pump times the amount of mud each piston pumps. The mud pump pressure gauge shows drillers the amount of pressure the pump is putting out. They monitor pump pressure from the standpipe to ensure that it is the correct amount needed to keep the hole clean and return cuttings back to the surface. Shows the revolutions per minute, or RPM, of the rotary table or top drive unit. Drillers monitor rotary RPM because they need to know the rate the bit is turning. Different bits rotate at different RPMs. RPM ranges for a bit are specified by the manufacturer. Drillers use the rotary torque gauge to see how much twisting force, or torque, the rotary is applying to the drill string. Knowing rotary torque helps keep drillers from parting the drill string because of too much rotary torque. Parting the drill string in this manner is called twisting off. Helps the driller and the rotary helpers make up the drill pipe and drill collars with the right amount of torque. Too little torque or tightness in the connection may leak or unscrew while drilling. Too much torque can damage or gall threads, which cause them to leak and eventually to come apart. These two photos show how important it is to properly torque up the connections. Both of these connections were under-torqued, which led to severe erosion.